Hello friends. I will show you the my final year project of college admission prediction system using machine learning. So let's see the project. I run this project. So it will go on Chrome in port number 127. It will load you. Yeah, it is run on 8000 port number. As we log in, as you see, homepage of our project. So get started, click on get started, then predictor is shows when we select the respective university, gender, name, we select all this field. So I will use 15,000 as merit number, seat time type as home university, round as first round, then category select that is open, CT score 90.11, percentage and 89. So then click on generate college list. When you click on this button, shows the another page that is result. Here, guys, you see the course code and college name. GSPM Imperial College of Engineering and Research Waguli. And see this graph, CT score of last 4 year data. In 1920, it is cutoff is 92.06. In 2021, it is 89. And 2021 to 22 89.59, 22 to 23 it is 92.23. Here we use the real time data from the score CT website. We create manually 25,299 rows of data. Here you will you see the data. uh, I select the feature that is course code, course name, year, gender, category, merit number, city type, round, city score, chance of admit. Then last row 25,299 rows in my data set. So this data set I created manually. Then we move from code. I create this project in Django, so it is secure. Here you see the urls.py views.py these files. In the urls.py files, uh, we add link of this project means when we go through the admin, predict, sign up page, contact, then page is open, views, sign up, contact. First we see the result page based on we set the path that is predict and display the predict view. Then admin side open the site URLs, views, login, sign up, contact, home, password reset done. then reset. This is a default Django provide the authentication of the password reset and another other logout also you use in system. Then see this views.py file. We add all necessary libraries and paths of the projects. File path we added college admission, uh, college prediction, util SPP college list.excel file for checking the name of the college. We add this in the static folder. College prediction util. Here see the SPP college list too. Here we load the college information from Excel file. Then I create the function that is predict view, and it will render from urls.py predict view. Here see the predict view function. So I use the predict view function, pass the request to the function, then initialize label encoder for encoding input data in a 10 format. So if request dot method equals to post, then use this input data that is here by default we use the 2023 gender, pass the request dot post, get the input from user, gender, category, rank, seat type, round, city score, chance of admit. Then convert the input data to data frame. Then convert categorical variable using label encoder in the 10 format. Then load PyCaret model. Here I use PyCaret model and load in this models folder multi-class pickle. Here I will show the how I create this file. We go to the Chrome. Here you see the PyCaret file. PyCaret is a Python library to make the model easily. It is AI based model to uh, make the model using the analyze by default provide analyzing prediction and compare with another models. So PyCaret is easy to use in machine learning. So here we use PyCaret model. First we install PyCaret, then go to the here I import the pandas library. So read the files from my GitHub account, then print the columns, and from PyCaret website I use the classification and import it. For the classification I use PyCaret classification import dot star. So, and set the target variable is my course code, and session ID is 123 means randomly after 123 columns it will select, 23 rows it will select. Here you see the target mapping function that is this course code match with 0, this course code match with 1, this course code match with 2, then see all this, that is all course code available in my dataset is 101. So see the original data type of shape 25,281 rows and 9 columns available in my dataset. Here Here I use a professional API in PyCaret model. PyCaret model provide the object-oriented API and functional API. So I use refer functional API in my model. So compare models with different algorithms. Here decision tree classifier gives the 70% accuracy. K-nearest classifier gives the 37% accuracy. So PyCaret compares the all algorithm with all algorithm. Then final we get the best compare algorithm. We get the 70% accuracy of decision tree classifier. Then print the best model. Decision tree classifier gives the best result. So it will print. Functional API use evaluate model base. So here easily we show the graphs, matrix, confusion matrix, other. Here check the UC curve, hyperparameter, precision recall. All we see this when we clicking on this. Functional API when we then predict the base model. Then get the decision tree classifier as 74% accuracy. Then predict model base we compare with data with original data, compare base model to the original data. So predict.head we get the accuracy as 92%. So it is sufficient for my this model. Then we get the raw square is true, then predict. Then I save the model, base model in save the name as multi-class. Functional API I uses this loaded model, load multi-class model, and print load model. You see this here, label encoding and other. Then I download this file using import OS library, print os.getcwd. So it will get the content of this folder. Then ls command to use using the get the file name multiclass.pickle. So pickle file is Python created file that create in the object from Google Colabs import files. I have downloaded this file files.download multiclass pickle. So when we download this file, I added in the models folder in multiclass pickle. So I use in views.py. Here you see this load PyCaret models from this folder and name as multiclass. Here I use try catch block. So exception handling. Make prediction using label using the loaded models. Load models with model path. Then store the result of the model in a result. Then extract predicted class course code where chance of admit is 1. When we get the chance of admit is 1, we extracting the predicted course code. Handle the case where the first element of predicted class is in integer. In this code, I use the check first for numbers of the course code with the another Excel file in my dataset. This another Excel file is SPPU college list 2. So comparing with this 4-digit with this file, then match the course code and college name. As you see, start with first 4-digit course code dot to list. Then here display the college name. in list format, extracting the first element from predicted class. Here, predicted class extract the first four element, actual path of CSV file. Here we set the actual path of CSV file for the displaying the histogram. Here, load a CSV file. CSV files mean here we use the dataset of my model, extracted the relevant information from the input data. So I display the current category, input data category, input data gender. To use the real time category and gender for this, and filter the course code category gender. So as it is, group as filter the year, reset index the cutoff, and name gives the cutoff for the displaying histogram. Here I display the cutoff marks of last 4 years of the data, that is CET based on CET score display. Here accept ratio of the histogram width and inches, height in inches. Here we plot the histogram of this model. Here we set the plt.x label here, cutoff CT score, plt title course code predicted class 0 with cutoff CT score for current category. Grade here, use grid is equal to group and group data by year. Here we use the save plot to byte IO object to save the histogram into PNG format and then display. Here I close the PLT, then return render request.html predicted course code matches courses college name enable encoded image of the histogram. The function is return this 4 parameter in result.html file. Here I use the exception print error, that error message and error while making prediction. Then input form.html by default render. Here this is contact function. Here we get the input from user name, email, subject, message. Then recipient email means receiver email. So center email subject from it display in my receiver email page. And then success message shows the message this where message was sent successfully. In contact page, print message was sent successful. Then shows index page on this file, render by default in index page. Then contact form is open, success message, else contact form not support this. Then this is function for home page. Here we check the authentication of the anonymous user. So check the first the user is login or not. First the user is login, then display the home page. Otherwise not display the home page. Here we handle the anonymous user. Then login page use the post method username password user authentication to check the password username and password. Input from union passfield, check this. If user is not known, means login request user, then redirect to home page. This user is valid. Or else login page invalid credential. Here, sign up page, data input from user, username, email, phone, password, confirm password, check here password match or not, password do not match it, otherwise response get the password do not match. Here custom logout function are used. So when user click on logout function, automatically go through the login page and log out from system. So by default, Django provided the logout function in Python. Logout request pass to the function, then return redirect to login page. Open the login page. Here you show the in my static file folder. Then here uh, in assets CSS file of this code, images of the projects those are required. Here team images, JS file, PHP vendor, these files are used. Also use the another image folder JS template and also use. Here in templates folder, use the main.html files. Here this is index is a main HTML file. Here I use all this code. This is login.html, result page, sign up page, error page when error is occur, base.html file. This is main file. So navbar and footer is using base.html. So I give the name of my team is Swastik Group. Here you show the project. I use the logo of the Swastik Group. When we click on predictor, open the predictor section, then about section, about of this project, learn more about the Swastik Group. Here you show this. This is my team member. ऋषिकेश पाटिल अनुभव पवार प्रतीक लोनारे पृथ्वी. This is my LinkedIn page. When we click on this link, open my LinkedIn page. This is frequently asked question. What's my project and what about it? Swasti Group is a team working on college admission prediction project aiming to provide a platform to predict college admission on the various criteria. The project utilizes innovation methods to assess students in making informed decisions about their academic future. Here, this is contact page. Here, I use the name, email, subject, pass the message, hello world, then send the message. So, please load it. So, message is sent on my email ID. this map of my college. This is scooter base. So that's all.